Good evening. Tonight, let's hear a story about a gentle bird and a magical gift. Our first word means crane.
つる、つる、
Let's hear it in a sentence. I saw a beautiful crane.
美しい鶴を見ました。
Long ago, a kind man saved a wounded crane in the snow. Soon after, a mysterious woman arrived at his door. Our next word means snow.
雪、雪、
Let's hear it in a sentence. The snow is falling quietly.
雪が静かに降っています。
She became his wife and wove the most beautiful cloth, but made him promise never to look inside her weaving room. Our next word means promise.
約束、約束、
Let's hear it in a sentence. I will keep my promise.
約束を守ります。
One day he broke his promise and peeked inside. He saw not his wife, but the crane he had saved, weaving cloth from her own feathers. Our next word means feather.
羽、羽、
Let's hear it in a sentence. A white feather fell.
白い羽が落ちました。
Her secret revealed, the crane had to leave. She flew away into the winter sky, leaving behind a final gift of gratitude. Our last word means gratitude.
感謝、感謝、
Let's hear it in a sentence. I express my gratitude from the bottom of my heart.
心から感謝します。
Like the crane, may your heart be filled with gratitude tonight. Sleep well and sweet dreams.
おやすみなさい。